In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right BeautyPlus photo editor app. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so for you to get the right BeautyPlus app on your Android smartphone, you need to go ahead and look for this app called Play Store amongst your apps. As you can see, mine is here, so I'll go ahead and tap on it, and then you should see this top search bar. And if you can't see this, go ahead and look for a search icon here. If you tap on it, now you can search for your app by name. So I'll just search BeautyPlus just as one word, and then to search, I'll go ahead and tap on search icon here. If you can't access your Play Store, you might need to log in with your Google account or with your Gmail for you to access these Play Store apps. Now, once you are here, you should see BeautyPlus as one word. Here is the right app. It has a tagline, selfie photo editor. And to know that it is the right app, make sure it is from Social Technology. This is a Singapore PTE Limited company. And at the time of recording this, it has a star rating of 4.5 with over 4 million reviews. And the file size is over 278 MBs. Currently, this app has over 100 million downloads. When you see this information, you will know that this is the right app. Go ahead and tap on install, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of this app and then install it on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, now you can go ahead and open it directly from here. Or if you go to your apps, now you should see BeautyPlus app is here. If you tap on it, this is the welcoming interface. You can go ahead and create your account to start using it. So that's how you can install the right BeautyPlus app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.